Embedded systems, they're dedicated computer systems that are designed for specific functionality. You find them in all sorts of devices. So you find them in medical equipment, in automotive, in avionics, in consumer electronics, manufacturing equipment, robotics, and devices that are part of the Internet of Things, which is a domain that has been growing very fast in the last several years. I've seen people taking the certificate to enhance skills that they already have. They have an opportunity to get into that field in their job, and they have gaps in their knowledge that they're trying to fill in, or are interested and they want to change their current career. One of the reasons this certificate is helpful is it's very concentrated and focused. It's to the point. Students will learn fundamental concepts about the embedded systems. They'll learn concepts in computer architecture. They'll learn how to design, develop, test, and debug low-level software. And they will use C and C++ programming language. They will also use assembly language for the ARM processors. And they will also learn how to develop an event-driven system and deal with multi-threaded applications. They will build skills to analyze and improve the performance of a product. And along the way, they will gain understanding of hardware schematics, how to read the data sheets of a particular device, and extract the information that they need. And they will do all of that using a development kit and development tools that are being used in the industry today. I see a lot of jobs out there that are in demand of these specific skills. So after finishing the certificate, the students will come out fully ready for all sorts of jobs in the embedded systems.